We had the pleasure of visiting this park in early November when the leaves were changing. Don't forget, subscribe. Click that bell for notifications. Valley Falls is a short drive from Interstate 77. I wouldn't go to this park towing a trailer or in a motorhome. It's a very single lane getting in and out of this park. It's located in Marion County, West Virginia. It's about 25 minutes drive from the interstate. In 1964, the falls and the surrounding land was acquired by the park system. The park is 1,145 acres. In the 1830s, it was a lumber mill and a grist mill. The community grew very fast in 1853 when the B&O Railroad was completed. Unfortunately, in 1886, a fire and then a flood in 1888 destroyed the town. The train still runs through the park. Valley Falls is strictly a day-use park. The park is open from 7 a.m. until dark every day. There is no camping at this park. It does have 18 miles of trails that you can hike and also mountain bike. They also allow fishing with the proper license. watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description, subscribe, and leave a comment. Till next time.